Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. In our last video we have completed exercise 1.1 of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. So in today's video we will do exercise 1.1 of the workbook of the same series. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So here you can see workbook exercise 1.1 on my screen. Question number 1 is Hassan shaded in gray these numbers on 100 square. So this is 100 square that you can see on the screen. The numbers form a pattern. So we can see he has shaded in gray. The numbers are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. What is Hassan's rule for finding the next number? Okay. So here one thing I wanted to tell you that when we go down in 100 square, okay, that means we are adding 10. So when we'll go down here, adding 10 and then 1, adding 11. So he is adding 11 every time. Not for these numbers only, you can pick any number from 28 till 38. When you will go down one step, you are adding 1, and you will go right one step, you are when you will go down one step, you will add 10, and when you will go right one step, you will add 1. Okay, so this will be 11. So here the difference is of 11 numbers, here again 11 number. Okay, although by seeing it we know that these all are the multiples of 11, so you can write adding 11 every time or multiples of 11. What is the next number in this pattern? So the next number will be 110. This is question number 2. The sequence 10, 16, 22 continues in the same way. Write the next two numbers in this sequence. So you can see that in this sequence, the term to term rule is plus 2. In my previous video, I have already told you how can you see the term to term rule. If the numbers are increasing, then it is plus, and see the difference between two numbers. So here we can see that difference is 6. So that means the term to term rule here is add 6. So we will add 6 in 22 for the next term. So it will be 28, and we will add 6 in 28 to see the next term. So it will be 34. The rule of a sequence of a number is add 3. Now this is one more sequence where the rule is, or term to term rule is, plus 3 each time. The sequence continues in the same way. Circle the numbers that are not in the sequence. So after 13 we will have 16 and then 19 and then 22 and then 25, 28, 31, 34, but we will not have 33 in the sequence, so we will circle it. Okay, so after 34 we will have 37 and then 40. So only 33 is the number that will not be in the sequence. Question number 4. A sequence has the first term 2020 and the term to term rule is add 11. Write the first 5 terms of these sequences. This sequence, okay, so first term will be 2020, next will be 20, 31, 20, 42, 20, 53, and 20, 64. Next, write the next 4 terms in these linear sequences. So sequences are linear. The first one has term to term rule of minus 3. So it will have 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8. Okay, next one have term to term rule plus 2. Okay, so minus 5, it will be minus 3, minus 1, and then 1, and then 3. We also have C part of the same question. Sequence is 100, 1095, 1060, 1025. So the difference here is, you can see minus 35. So I have written the answer of the C part for you. Uh, Next question is, question number 6 says, here is a part of a number sequence. The numbers increase by 25 each time. 25, 50, 75, 100. Then 125, and this sequence will go on like it is 125, and then here will be 150, and then 175, and then 200. So this sequence will go on like this. Circle all the numbers below that will be in the sequence. Okay, so we will have, okay, so upon looking here, as I said you that the sequence will go on like this, like 125, 150, 175, 200, and then 225, 250, 275, 300, and then 325, 350, 375, and 400. Okay, so we will, the sequence go on. So we will have this 50 in the sequence, and we will have this 900 in the sequence. You can see here where I have underlined, we do not have any such number, any 55 number, any 35, any 95. So we won't have these numbers in the sequence. Question number 7 of exercise 1.1. Amy makes a number sequence. The first term of her sequence is 1. Her term to term rule is add 7. Amy says, if I keep adding 7, I will reach 77. Is Amy correct? Explain your answer. Okay, so term to term rule at 7 means that if her first term would be 0, so all her terms would be multiples of 7, and 77 is also a multiple of 7. Since her first term is 1, that means all her terms will be 1 more than multiples of 7. For example, her series will have 8, 15, 22. So you can see all numbers are 1 more than multiples of 7. So 77 is a multiple of 7, so she will never reach to 77. Question number 8 is, here is part of a number sequence. The first number is missing. Write the missing number. So you can see the term to term rule is mentioned here. This is just backward counting. So we will add 5 in 297, and our answer will be 302. Question number 9. A sequence has first term 1001 and the last term 1041. The term to term rule is add 5. Write down all the terms in this sequence. So let's write 1001, 1006, 1011. Okay, so I have written all these terms of this sequence. You can see we've started with 1001 and we have ended at 1041, and we have also added 5 each time. So our 10th question is, each number in this sequence is double the previous number. Write the missing number. So each number is double. So that means we have to find out the half of this one. Half of 3 is 1.5. 1.5, 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, and the next, the double of 48 will be 96. Question number 11. Write the missing numbers in this sequence. Explain how you worked it out. Okay, so we have to write missing number. For that, first we will have to find the term to term rule here. So 1 in 3, that means plus 2. 3 plus 6 means plus 3. 6 and then 10 plus 4. So next time we will plus 5. That means answer will be 15. And the term to term rule here is add one more every time. Okay. So this is a non-linear sequence. Question number 12. The numbers in this sequence increase by 10 each time. 4, 14, 24. The sequence continues in the same way. Write two numbers from the sequence that makes a total of 68. Okay, so since our series have all the numbers in 4, so this will be 8. In here the answer should be 6. So we can use here 4 and 2. We can use any two numbers that will add here upon 6. Okay, so 24 and 44. This was all for today. We will continue this exercise in another video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others, because sharing is caring. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful educational content. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.